This is a video on lead assignment rules, the basics, how to set up queues, check your territory, check your assignments, especially if you're a sales professional, enable importing and forecasting from Lederhosen Salesforce. So let's begin. So first, you go to your profile. If you're the Salesforce administrator, of course, that would be myself, but you make sure that this is checked. Marketing user. Marketing user allows you to import leads, say, from Dreamforce, right? Secondly, the other thing, if you do want to start experimenting with forecasting, each user has to be provisioned with allow forecasting. And then, of course, you can do the full call center, meaning Service Cloud, and other things like that. That's the first thing. Second thing, now let's go to lead assignment rules. So in this example, I've set up a lead assignment rules right here. So it flows. So when you set up a thing, you can make any criteria. You can allow by duplicate key, by currency, by campaign member, by cell phone, by city, pretty much any criteria. And then you can choose an operator. Equals, not equals, starts with, contains, less than, equal to, includes, excludes, within, say within a territory. And then you have a sort criteria. And then you can assign it to a user or to a queue. And here you can have an auto response email saying, hey, thank you so much, your user is, and then do not reassign right here. And so what you do here is you always want to have a bucket, so it sorts 1, 2, 3, 4, and you have to make sure it's active, right? Versus, here I used lead contains. That's very different. So that's very different than, say, a queue. And here's the queue that I set up, DF17Q. Here, you have a queue, send email to members, anything that goes in the queue, that's the drop bucket. Then you can assign it by all sorts of information. And then the queue members, who are they? Is it by role and subordinates, by public groups, say a revenue group. I was part of the global revenue group. And that's how you work that. And with that, I want to say thank you so much for watching this. Again, it's making sure you're a marketing user, making sure the queues are assigned, and then moving forward. Thank you so much. Have a great day. I hope this video was helpful. I've got a whole bunch. And this works in lighting, but these are foundational stuff for queue assignment.